Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what that is. You can try this out by using the link in the description, and when you think you've got an answer, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's begin with a 0. Okay, so 0 gives us 0. How about a 1? And 1 gives us, looks like 1/3. Okay, how about 2? So 2 gives us some slightly bigger decimal. How about 3? Okay, another decimal. How about a 4? Oh, okay. 4 is giving us 2/3. I have a hunch about this one, and the shape I think is telling me something. Let me put in a negative number here. I'm expecting an error. Now that's not a number. I think we're going to get that for any negative. Hmm. Yeah. So what I think we have here is a square root of x function. This doesn't look like your regular square root of x, because if you put in a 4, you should get a 2, and we got a 2/3. So it's been sort of flattened out. And that can happen if you have a multiplier that is a fraction, between 0 and 1. So I think we've got some kind of multiplier on our square root of x. Otherwise, the starting point here is right at the origin, so there's nothing added inside under the radical sign or outside to move it up or down. We just have to figure out what the multiplier is. Do you have an idea what the multiplier is? The best place to look for this is at 1, because the square root of 1 is just 1. So whatever the multiplier is, that's the value you're going to get out there. And we got 0.3 repeating, which is 1/3. So think about that with 4. If you put in a 4 here, you take the square, you get 2. 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. That's exactly what we got. If we put in a 9, the square root of 9 would be 3, and 3 times 1/3 would be 1. So if we put in a 9, we should get a 1 out. Let's try that. And there we go. All right, well, that clinches it for me. I'm going to go ahead and reveal. And there it is. F of x equals 1/3 times the square root of x, and we can graph that. You've got that very shallow tapering curve of the square root function. Well, how did that go for you? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.